This is the inventory of all the building materials necessary to make the coke oven. A lot of this is all they call NOS, or new old stock. It's never been used. This is materials that are going into the Beehive coke oven project in Dunbar, Pennsylvania. Getting laborers to remove the bricks, the crown stones, the silica bricks, the floor bricks, and basically everything we need to have these built. We were lucky enough that somebody found these in abandoned coke ovens along New Salem Road, called the Shamrock ovens, which have not been in use for several years. What you're seeing here are the crown stones, and this is the piece that was probably the gem of them all as far as finding what we needed in order to have these built. What makes them unique is that they are cut on several sides, and to have these made today would have cost a small fortune. You can't really get an idea how big this place is. It's going to be 16-foot diameter by at least 8 feet high. Now what we're doing is actually having them palleted like this. You can see the perfect condition of these bricks, which are, you know, decades old, that have just been sitting here waiting for someone like us to come take them. This project will be underway, and hopefully will be done in calendar year 2008. But we'll give you more progress as we go. But these are the materials that we're going to be using.